Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M31s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change wallpaper in your phone Samsung Galaxy M31s. First of all, go to the settings and click on wallpaper. Now click on my wallpapers here and all preloaded wallpapers will be available. These are only system wallpapers. So you can use anyone now. Here I select preloaded 3 and 3 options will be appearing here. First one is home screen, second one is lock screen, third one is lock and home screens. If you select home screen, the selected wallpaper will be applied only in home screen. See here, I selected home screen and I click on set on home screen and wallpaper is applied to home screen only. Go to home screen and see the changes. Wallpaper has been changed to what I have selected. Again I go to settings, click on wallpaper, click on my wallpapers and I select another one preloaded 5 and I click on lock screen now. So this wallpaper will be applied on lock screen. Click on set on lock screen and wait few seconds and now check in lock screen. The selected wallpaper is now appearing. In a similar way, you can set a wallpaper for both lock screen and home screen. Again, go to settings, click on wallpaper, click on my wallpapers, and I select this preloaded 4 and click on lock and home screens. Click on set on lock and home screens, and yes, the selected wallpaper is now applied on both home screen and lock screen. Again I go to settings, click on wallpaper and I click on explore more wallpapers. So you can set a wallpaper from downloaded theme. Now I select continue. You got to update Galaxy themes for that. Just click it and it will be updating. Just wait few seconds. So here you can download some wallpapers from internet. You should have active internet connections for that. Again click on more wallpaper, explore more wallpapers and click on top and click here and select free. So all free wallpapers are loaded here. Just select anyone. I select this one and click on download. It will be downloading. Just wait few seconds. So this downloaded wallpaper can be applied on lock screen or home screen or both. Click on apply and here you can select from the 3 options. I select again lock and home screens and click on set on lock and home screens. Yes, it has been applied now. You can also set a photo as wallpaper. For that first I take a photo here. And this photo can be applied as wallpaper. Go to the settings again and click on wallpaper, click on gallery and select a photo from there. And I select lock and home screens. Again click on set on lock and home screens. Yes, it has been applied. So in this way you can easily set your photos wallpaper. If you want to bring back to default wallpaper, again go to settings and click on wallpaper, click on my wallpapers, and here select preloaded, and I select lock and home screens. Yes, it has been applied. In this way also you can bring back original wallpaper to your phone Samsung Galaxy M31s. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.